Good day, sir. My name is Mark Neo Quinto and my partner is John Richard Zucogin, and I will explain this topic: effects of biggling and permeability on the stability of a ship. Number 1. Biggling. Biggling refers to the situation where the hull of the ship is breached, allowing water to enter a compartment, often due to collision, grounding, or structural failure. The effects of biggling on ship stability are significant and generally adverse. Reduction in buoyancy. When a compartment floats due to biggling, it can no longer contribute the buoyancy of the ship. This results in a loss of reserve buoyancy, which is crucial for keeping the vessel afloat and upright. And next, change in center of buoyancy. As the underwater shape of the hull changes, the center of buoyancy shifts, potentially reducing the rating arm and initial metacentric height. Next, let's stop here. If the flooding is asymmetrical on one side, it creates an uneven weight distribution, causing the ship to list. Next, the trim changes. Flooding in forward or AFT compartment affect the longitudinal center of buoyancy, resulting in a bow or stern trim. Free surface effect, and the flooding compartment is only partially filled. Free surface effect can significantly reduce GM due to the shift of water mass compromising transverse stability. And with John Richard Zucogin will read next.
Number 2. Permeability. Permeability refers to the percentage of a compartment's volume that can be occupied by water. It varies depending on the use of the space: cargo hold, engine room, accommodation space. Typical values: machinery space 85%, cargo holds 60%, accommodation 95%. Effects of stability. Flooding volume estimation. Higher permeability means a greater volume of water will enter the space when flooded. This increases the weight added and reduces buoyancy more substantially. Damage stability calculations. Permeability is a critical factor in damage stability assessment, like those required by SOLAS. It affects how much down flooding occurs and how the ship will sit in the water damage. Survivability assessment. Ships with space of high permeability are more vulnerable when damaged. Stability of software and damage control plans consider permeability to model ship survivability in case of hull breach.